Lone Star Muscle Cars is proud to present this beautiful 1990 GMC SLE Sierra Short Wide Bed. This truck only has 89,000 original miles. It is still in its correct white paint. As you can see from the video, this truck has been very well taken care of in the garage its whole life. It has never been driven in rain nor snow. No stains inside the interior. The vehicle has never been smoked in, nor has it had food eaten in it. As you can see, it has a new toolbox, new wheels, new tires. From the inside of the bed, you'll notice it's never had any cargo ever carried. It has the factory chrome drop-down bumper. This truck would make a person their very first car or a very nice second-hand vehicle. These trucks are starting to become very collectible, and this one in this condition is extremely hard to find. Powered by a GM 350 fuel-injected engine with 4-speed automatic transmission. This truck has had all services done to it, including AC, fresh oil change. It is ready to go. This truck needs nothing. If you're looking for a super nice, one-of-a-kind, extremely clean truck for a family member or yourself just to enjoy for the weekend, this is it. Please contact Lone Star Muscle Cars at 940-733-4599 for more information on this truck. Thanks, and have a great day.